Guys, my name is Keian and you're watching Kiki with Keian. I am a beauty content creator and today I created this beautiful blue and gold halo eye. So if you're interested in creating this beautiful look with me, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Let's get started.
Primer today, I'm going to be starting with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Power Primer and also layering the Professional Hydrate Primer by Benefit Cosmetics. I've been really enjoying using this in combination for a full foundation day. Next, I am applying Makeup Revolution London Liquid Highlighter in Euphoric Gold. I'm applying this before my foundation to give my final glow just that extra pop. Today's foundation choice is by Morphe Brushes Fluidity Matte in the shade F270. Time to contour. Today we're using Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. To set under the eyes, I'm going to use my favorite powder by Laura Mercier, their translucent setting powder. No flashbacks, honey. For brows, I'm giving them a quick fill with my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade number 3. My eyeshadow base of choice for today is the MAC Cosmetics Painterly Pots in the shade Soft Ochre. To start the eyes, I'll be using the Morphe Eye Pencil in shade Allure and start sketching out the outer V of the eye and the inner V of the eye. Once you're satisfied, we'll be dipping into the Scott Barnes Color Bomb palette, using the shade Mediterranean to set the outer V and the inner V. Using the shade Koi to blend out Mediterranean and give you that smoky effect. Blend, baby, blend. Once your matte shades are blended to your little heart's desire, we're gonna add Paparazzi, and Riviera to the middle of the eye. Yeah, I like that. Now to add a pop of glitter, we'll be using the Mo Glitz and Glam glitter in Candy Corn. You guys know I love me some glitter. And I'm just applying the glitter everywhere you see the gold Paparazzi shade. Now I'm just bringing the same colors that I used at the top of the eye to the bottom waterline. Using shades Mediterranean, Koi, Paparazzi, and Riviera. To line my eyes, I am using the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner in the shade Boss. And I'm setting the top line with the shade Mediterranean. For mascara, I'm using the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. Don't forget your lashes. Let's bronze this face. We're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany, concentrating this on the perimeters of the face. For blush, we're using Benefit Cosmetics Rocketeer Blush. And for that final glow, we're using the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight 1. I'm lining my lips using the Morphe Lip Liner in the shade Trendsetter. And for lipstick, I'm using the Milk Makeup Lipstick in shade Deuces.
Guys, well, thank you for hanging out with me until the end. Make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you liked this beat. Share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the future beats. Until next time, guys. Bye.